Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. So what we want to show you in this little video is how to find the trends using the Norwood alert and the earlier bird alert with larger time frames. Now the time frame that I like the best for the larger time frame is the 4-hour. The day works well many times, but the 4-hour, you don't have to wait as long to get the 4-hour signals, and you can get in a little bit earlier and then maintain it on the day chart. But let's look at this. I've marked the white lines are where we see the first early bird signal, and then we have a Norwood alert with this red line going short, a Norwood alert with this blue line going long, and then another Norwood alert with this red line going short. So what we're going to do is switch to the 1-hour time frame just to see if there are any entry signals on the 1 hour. Okay, here's the blue light special, and then we can see that there was a good entry signal right here prior to the 4-hour, but this confirmed when the 4-hour gave the signal. Then you know that that's a good time to get in. So right there's 70-80 pips on that little move right there. Now if you'd stayed in, yes, you could have taken out a few more pips. Then we move along and go to the 30-minute. You can see some other entry signals on a 30-minute. A little choppier, harder to read, but it was still a good entry signal. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Now what we're going to do is move over to where we get our first early bird signal. Now this is on a larger time frame. This is how you're finding the trend. The early bird's your first heads up that there's a trend change. The Norwood alert confirms and gives you more emphasis. So now let's go to the 1 hour and 30-minute. The 1 hour, first of all, said to go up. I didn't see any really strong alert signals. There were some entry signals on there. Let's look at the 30-minute. Okay, we started getting some good 30-minute signals right down here, but we didn't have any many add-on signals going up. Let's even go to the 15-minute. Okay, we see taking long trades, because this early bird alert here was just for going long. So that's all we'd be taking is the long trades, and you can see that there are quite a few entry signals on the 15-minute. That's going from a 4-hour, finding the trend. We use the early bird and the Norwood alert, then we trade in the direction of that trend. Now let's go to the last one over here. Now we know what the trend is. This is for illustration purposes only. You can find these just as easily when it's actually happening live. When you get up in these spots right here, that was still a 20-30 pip move, and that's another video that would show you that you can either get in those or stay out of those, and the alerts would actually help to filter those as well. So let's go see. Now right here we're looking for short signals again, an early bird signal right here. Let's look at the 1 hour. See, we start seeing some good movement there. We start seeing the actual alerts over in this area. But let's go to the 30-minute. Okay, the 30-minute right there at the same time the early bird went off, there was a good entry signal. You didn't see an early bird, but yes, there were entry signals, but not necessarily any alerts. Let's look for the 15 minutes to see what that gives us. Right there, the 15-minute actually did give us an early bird and a Norwood alert on the same thing, going in the trend of the larger time frame. So that's how you can find the trend using the Norwood alert and the early bird alert on the larger time frames, and then we've shown you how to time your entry on the smaller time frames. Hope this was of help to you, and we'll talk to you another time.